critical issues that must get into the process of reformulating the new development goals after 2015. As AFPPD, we would want to make sure that the whole team, the core team of the ICPD that we agreed, that the Globe have agreed on in 1994, be carried forward, particularly on two key issues. One is on the issue of sexuality and reproductive health and rights. And then the other is on significance of population dynamics in understanding development and therefore in formulating the new development goal after 2015. Under SRHR, there is a need, one, to finish the uncompleted goal of reducing maternal mortality. There's also the need to strengthen family planning as a vital part of women's health services, and as a vital part as well of development elements. So there's a huge work that needs to be done on SRHR that cannot simply be neglected in this context of redefining the development goal beyond 2015. Now, as for the other set of issues under population dynamics, we need to realize and reconcile whatever development objective that we will set forth, that aging, for one, is real in certain settings and regions in Asia. Migration, impact on countries, impact on women, impact on families. So that has to be tackled too. And then, of course, urbanization, the fast pace of urbanization. So, to me, these are twin issues carried over from the ICPD that whose language should be made and should be felt into the reformulated development goal after 2015. There's a lot of burden and a lot of responsibility that these intergovernmental regional bodies, UN agencies must be able to do to speak as one and address the two issues that I cited a while ago, ensuring that it finds itself into the new development goal post 2015.